Pretty excited today. I am picking up my Tesla Model 3. Finally, I've got the standard range edition. I'm pretty pumped up. I've been spending way too much money on gas. My commute's about 100 kilometers in total every day from White Rock, BC down to Vancouver. My gas bill is literally about $600 a month now. I'm driving a Chevy SUV. So by going electric here, I'm going to literally save over $500 a month in fuel. So I've got the gray model here. I've got the white interior, and we're about to go through a run through of how it all works.
Open the charging port. You can open it from your screen, from your app, by tapping on it here. Go here. So this is the charging port. This is where you plug in. The blue T indicates that the status of the car is not charging right now.
Okay.
So whenever you plug it in your wall, it will start blinking green. The blinking green means that the status is charging right now. The steady green means it's already charged. The screen is divided in two sections. This is the permanent section. This is temporary. Depends on how you give commands to Tesla. So we'll start from here. You have it with the seat belts on.
Yeah.
That's what it shows. That's the gear mode, P. If you drive, that's D mode, reverse mode. The charging here indicates that.
What are you doing, Mike?
I'm about to drive my new Tesla Model 3. I'm pretty excited. I hope I don't crash the car because that would be bad. But I'm insured. 9 ways till Sunday. So let's just see here if I can remember how to actually drive. This is so weird, man. Oops. That's pretty crazy. Wow, this is so nice. Oh, there's a regenerative braking. That's weird. You can actually set that if it's kind of too weird for you. It's gonna be weird going from my big SUV to this Tesla. Cautious. Wow, this is weird.
New Tesla smell?
Yeah. It smells like electricity. Yeah, the white interior is crazy. I feel like I'm in a space car right now.
It feels like you're in a space car.
Yeah, like there's nothing. It's just the screen.
Yeah.
There's no knobs or dials anywhere. Just like some simple ones on the steering wheel here. Even the air conditioning, like the vents. It's fascinating. You control it all through the screen. Now I can figure the charging out one way or another. Oh yeah, that regenerative braking is going to take some getting used to. Because the second you take your foot off the gas, it just like... Basically the motor is...
Does it feel like you're driving a golf cart?
Yeah, yeah. Me, I'm on the map. Yeah, this is sweet.
It's going to make the commute a lot more interesting.
It is going to. Like, there's all sorts of other things he didn't explain when they're going through the car. There's like a Sentry mode on here. And so you can plug in like a flash drive into one of the USB ports. Still got to figure that out. So if anyone ever tries to break into your car or scratch your car, there's cameras all over this Model 3, which actually will go into record mode, and it can save it onto that USB stick for you to have a look at later. You can see that hooded guy that you'll never be able to identify scratch the side of your car. But pretty cool. I think the first thing I'm going to get, because you can put your phones down here and plug them in, Nomad makes a wireless charging pad that just kind of fits perfectly in there, so you can just kind of wirelessly charge your phone while you're driving. That's the dream anyway. Let's see. Well, I have to say I'm pretty impressed so far driving it from the Tesla dealership all the way home here. It is amazing, just everything from the acceleration to how quiet it is, and just how minimalist this entire front is. Like just even trying to control things like the air conditioning and what have you is all done through the actual center here. If I want to open the glove box, I have to hit the glove box icon on the screen here, and it pops open. But this thing is fantastic. Hit the button here. I got the white interior. I got the 18-inch wheels with the aero caps here. You can actually take these off, and there's some really beautiful rims underneath. But I kind of like the look of this, and by having these covers on, it actually increases the battery efficiency. I think about 3%. So overall, my first impressions. This is a fantastic car. My next mission, though, is to figure out the whole charging aspect of it. I haven't got that installed in my house yet, so I'm relying on public chargers and chargers in parking lots as well. So you'll have to stay tuned for that. For now, Mike Agarbo signing off.